Hi, thank you very much for your support in our previous video. Today we are here once again to take you through step-by-step process on how to create a sell offer on NoOnes P2P trading platform. In our last lesson, we learned about how to create a buy offer, and today we are going to look at how to create a sell offer. So before you create a sell offer, all that you need to do is to come to the marketplace as we did for the buy offer. You come to the marketplace, then you go to create an offer. Create an offer, then the coins, the cryptocurrency you wish to sell is what you're going to select. For the purpose of this video, we are going to sell our BTC as it is being selected here. Then we go to payment method. The payment method you wish to receive your payment. So let's use MTN. In our previous lesson, we used MTN, so we are going to use MTN as well here. After you select MTN, our preferred currency is going to be in Ghana cedis. I select Ghana cedis, then I go to next. Here is where you set your margin for this particular trade, the percentage you wish to receive on every trade that you are going to receive on this platform. As you can see here, if we put in 0, it means we are not making any percentage from the market. The outcome is going to be the same as the amount the person is buying. So when someone is buying 140 Ghana from us, we are going to receive 140, and at the end of the day we are going to release BTC worth of 140 to the person, which means we are making no profit from the market. So always make sure you make some profit from the market. So we are selling, we are now going to set our margin. Our margin is going to be plus 10, which means for every 140 Ghana cedis we sell, we are going to receive 154 Ghana cedis, which means we are making at least 14 Ghana cedis profit on this particular trade. We go to offer trade limit. This is where you set your limit. I think we did that in our previous video, so I'm not going to explain much into that. We go to the time we have it here already. Then you go to next. We select our offer tag. Offer tag can use no third party payment, no verification needed. Then we also select no receipt needed. Our offer label, since the person is buying from us, so we are going to release the coins to the person, or going to send the coins to the person after he make payment. So we are going to write, or you can put in fast release, which means after we receive payment we are going to release the coins to the person at a very speed rate. Then our offer term, I always say your offer term should be very simple. You can say maybe you can put in please drop, or please send name and number you are going to use for the payment, and allow cash out. Very simple. This is our offer term. Then we can also add please another place again. Please leave leave me with a sorry positive feedback, and will also do say sorry and will also do same. So now we are done with our offer term. Offer term, we are done. We come to advanced settings. This verification here, you can leave that one for the meantime. Then our target country is going to be Ghana. All these places, you can leave all of them. You can leave this because if you set this one, it means you are putting restriction on your offers, of which most traders can trade with you. But you being a new guy in this business, always uh you have to make it possible for anyone who comes to this platform to be able to trade with you. If only he can follow your trade instructions over there, the person should be able to trade with you. All the side, I think you can leave all the side. Then we come to create an offer. Very simple. It's very simple to create offers on NoOnes P2P trading platform. Let's wait for it to open. Yeah. So now our offer is being created. Our offer is being listed on the marketplace. So now you are free to go. Thank you very much for making another time to watch this video. And please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, I will say please do well to subscribe and also like and also share your comments. Tell us what you want us to come out with on our next lesson so that we can all learn together. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful